Hey, so what's up, you guys? Bitcoin is what we'll take a look at in this video, and we are very close to the bottom here. Let's take a look at the technicals. Let's see what we have to continue to see from here to confirm this being the bottom here on Bitcoin. And as we stabilize here, what are the potential upside we are watching? So most importantly, what are we looking at to confirm this as the bottom? Let's take a look at that. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So Bitcoin, as I have been saying to you guys, that on the weekly interval, yes, overall we are in the downtrend, but there is very high likelihood that right around this zone we will form a bottom. We have a really good previous price action in this area. We also are coinciding with 200 weeks moving average, and we are also coinciding with the bottom test of the channel. So we had made the run to the downside. A relief rally is expected. Now this on the daily interval is such a big horizon still, and it's such a big move that it's worth to play the bottom here and play to the upside. It's not your time to short Bitcoin. Okay, don't short Bitcoin at this point. You will be frustrated. Definitely, we are a little bit slowly and slowly slipping lower day after day, but those are just the retests right now. If you wanted to take a short play, those were your time to short this thing. Right now you're better off looking at the upside plays, the bullish trades, okay, at least for the near term. We last time when I did the video, I mentioned that if we like technically by the end of 9th of March of the week, 84,000 is technically a possibility, as if we continue to form the bottom here. We still have close to 3 weeks until that fully pans out. And if we don't get to 84, there is still likelihood somewhere around 81 to 80 that as if Bitcoin marked or confirmed the bottom within next 2-3 days here. And I'll tell you what we have to look for that move is coming through then soon. So let's get to the daily interval now. And we are right now capturing a lot of stop losses here, capturing a lot of liquidity here. Okay, so this area is a very strong demand zone, and even if we would have stepped lower, we would have seen a bounce back up, just we are seeing over here. The thing is that it doesn't have to fully go down there. Okay, we can even, things can pick up from somewhere else as well, as long as we are still in that demand zone area. Now, as I have said that we have to still see the confirmation of the bottom to happen here. Right now, that is still a little bit questionable, but we are getting very close to that. Now, so what are we watching for here? Well, first of all, very importantly, to put it very simply, this session that we are just right now in today, we have to close this thing above 65,600 area. Better if we close it above 66,618. If you can close this session above, that's a really great start. Let's get to the 4 hours interval, and I'm gonna draw a reference line as well for you. If we can also get out and above of this lower moving reference line, that's also a great push to the upside, okay, which will be somewhere around 68,000. If you want to keep things simple, the funnel area for the bottom confirmation, we don't need this blue box anymore, is the significant level at 68,689. If Bitcoin now, without going any further lower, can close above a session 68,787, we have in our hands a confirmed bottom here, and I expect then upsides. Okay, so this is the level, this right over here. If we can close above this any session, we have a confirmed bottom in our hands here, and then I expect things to continue up. And as I have said previously to you, even if we get above, as when we get above $73,000, this will not just going to be a near-term bottom. I do believe then, yes, even though we are still in the downtrend, but I do believe that we will eventually break out of this channel as well if we can even start to close above $73,000 area. So I do believe we are getting very close to formation of the bottom. It's important that we don't lose this session now. It's a really good comeback on Bitcoin right now in just last few hours. So we just want to see a push through from here. Okay, so that's all what it comes down to right now. It's on the hourly interval, it's a little bit slowing down here with the 200 hours moving average, which is okay. It's gonna slow down, and that's why I'm saying that this session, as if we do a pullback, we don't want to give up this whole candle now anymore, which I don't think we'll give up. At least in the near term, I expect we'll push through. But that's the zone. That's the zone. We are not far away. We are not far away, guys. Okay, Bitcoin can do it, but that's the zone, 68,700 area. Okay, so, around that zone, I mean. Okay, so it can do it. We just want to see it do it now, and that's all what I want to talk about. It's very simple right now. Okay, so, and with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Please hit the like and subscribe if you found it helpful and valuable. All right, bye.